Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to clean your vinyl records, because we use them, we touching them, we buying from second hands. Sometimes it's dirt, sometimes making bad noises, like that one, for example. Do you hear that? Let's check another one. Let's put another one. Yeah, that one is bad as well. They have plenty of fingerprints and dirt. I'll try to show you, but yeah. By the way, we try to clean it. Oh, here we go. I found another one, very dirty. Look at that. I try to focus on that. Here we go. I bought it that from second hand, but I didn't check. By the way, let's try to clean up everything for nice condition. I'll show you how to do that. One of them, and good one, solution for clean out vinyl record is ultrasonic cleaner. Same like that one. Cheap one, good one. Approximately in here is 5.5 liter of water, filter water, distilled water, whatever you used. Bracket with motor, made in China. I used them first time, so we see effects after. We can load 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vinyls. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. Fluid. What we need to apply to the water. First one is, do you see them? Isopropyl alcohol, because this cheap one. So let's add like 25 milliliter. So that's the one. And for nice and polish effects, from the old style darkroom, let's add the Kodak Professional Photo Flow 200, for example, because I have it down. Anyone with the what you used in the darkroom for clean and finish films after process. That's it. So on that one I've used them like 25 milliliter. Talking about that milliliter, but use that just a little bit and a little bit. Here we go. That's the alcohol for nice and shiny. Kodak finish. Oh, I need to open. 1 second. Come on. Here we go. Just beat. That's it. Let's plug in on the ultrasonic machine. Change the position and I show you how to set up. I set up like down. There's the temperature 45 degree. Now is it 25. Let's start on to heat up. And for start, the vinyl is really dead. The starting process like 12 minutes should be enough. But let's waiting for heat up water, heat up fluid. I'm moving the camera again. I want to show you all process nicely. There's a tiny room, that's why I don't have enough space. Here we go. On mid time, below the vinyls to the bracket. Let's take it out the chemical out. We don't need the nut anymore today. Let's take the bracket. There's a few of them on the market. That's the basic one. Looks like that. 12 voltage cable for power supply. Yeah, just unscrew that one. Take it out the rings. Unloading one by one the vinyls. Oops. Here we go. First one. Yeah. Come on. Here we go. Not too tight, just stable. And that's the load, you see, separators, vinyls. Still waiting for temperature going up. Too much long wait for that heating up the temperature. 2060 degree, that will be start process. Oh, this is not oil there, so let's start it. Let's start in that motor. Tiny vinyl. And let's start the ultrasonic process. Not yet.
Ultrasonic Cleaning is good.
Finish. Done. Let's dry out and test it. Wow. Wow. The vinyl looks stunning, clean, nice. Have a look. Wow. That works. That's bloody works. Let's have a look how much dirt we have just from one clean. Have a look. Wow, wow, wow. That was invisible at the vinyl. Let's have a look on the bottom. It's plenty. Wow. Good. Okay. Vinyl is dry out ready. So let's check it out. How is it? That was very bad condition. Have a look. But shiny, nicely, clean. Here we go. Let's listen up. Oh, much better. Much better. Let's check other side. Much better. Wow, I'm happy. I'm happy with that result. Have a look. Clean, nice. Wow. Let's check another one. No, perfect. Wow. Wow. Let's check the other side. Wow. Very good result. Have a look. Wow. Let's check another one. Yeah, better. Other side. There was scratches, but that you're hearing now. But yeah, they're less than worse. And last one. Wow. Wow. Better, much better. I can't play you the track because there's a copyright on there. So just play your start. Oops. 1 second. Aye, come on. Yeah. Good. Very good. I'm very satisfied. Have a look. I show you that. You remember that very dirty one? Wow, wow, wow. I'll show you the result after. Here you go. That was down. Have a look. That was very bad condition. Have a look. Yes, and playable now. Wow, so that's the best solution for cleaning records. Use the ultrasonic cleaner. Simple. Take care, guys.